In this video, we'll demonstrate how to efficiently back up your WhatsApp chats. Before we dive into the process, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to safeguard your important conversations. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, as your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's begin. Backing up your WhatsApp chats is a crucial step to ensure the safety of your conversations. Here's how you can do it. Open the WhatsApp app on your device. Navigate to the Settings option within the app. In the Settings menu, select Chats. Then, choose Chat Backup. Here you'll find essential information such as the date and time of your last backup. To manually back up your chats right away, simply tap the Backup Now option. Wait for the backup process to complete. Additionally, you can set up an automatic chat backup by clicking on Auto Backup. You can choose the frequency of backups, daily, weekly, or monthly. Select the option that suits your preference. For instance, I'll choose weekly. You can also decide whether to include videos in your chat backup. Enabling this option may significantly increase the size of your backup due to video files. If you prefer to include videos, make sure to turn on this feature. Be aware that including videos may require a larger storage capacity. Once you've made your selections, your chat backup settings will be configured. If you want to initiate an immediate backup, click on Backup Now. That's how you can easily back up your WhatsApp chats. It's a simple but essential process to keep your conversations safe and secure. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more informative tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching.